This is DJ Wags, Wags Chicago, taking you through the apocalypse, taking my pictures off to show you this up and close. Something weird is happening, and we just got a spike hitting the Discovery satellite. Incoming, something's incoming that's going to affect us even more. Stay tuned. DJ Wags, I'll show you this as fast as I can. This is today, August 15th. The year's 223. It is 2:09 p.m., 14:09 hours, Chicago time. Here we go. This is something really creepy happening. Stay tuned. Let me take you over here to ISWA NASA websites. Take a look right here. Just happened. It's 16:24 hours. 16:24 hours. That was like 10 minutes ago, roughly. 16:24. We are now at, 2 hours ago, 18:44. So in the last 2 hours, a big spike here. Look at this. Normal is like maybe 8 on this scale here. This has rocked 30 plus. Plasma. So there's incoming plasma. So that's going to affect this. Now, this is day 3 now. See this ball right here in the middle? There's a lot of times it makes like the dusting makes a little ball behind Earth. Sometimes there's another one right here, and another one I think shows up down here. But that's not what my point is. Again, we see the front. The sun is over here to your right. Let's pretend this ball here is the sun. This spider should be aiming right at the sun, but you see it's aiming at about the 4 o'clock position. Still, day 3. Huge front. Now, I want to show you how the dark arts plays with these numbers. See this scale, negative 80, 60, 40, 20, 0. 0 is right here at Earth. Then it goes 15, 20. You don't see the 15 here, but 20. Now, look at here. This scale should be 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. But what they do is they squeeze the scale down. Now it stops at 15. So that changes the aspect ratio. So you don't see it as bad as it is. Because look, that extra third line of the arrow coming off the Earth that's blowing through the sun's atmosphere, let's call it, is going off this scale now. But because they shrunk the scale, see it ends at 15, not 20, it doesn't look so bad. You only see one line. The other line's way out here to the right. That's called Wizard 103 class if you do space weather. Now, down here, this is showing you the wind pattern coming from the sun. Now, the sun is showing you the arrows are pointing to the left. This is the sun's energy is off to the right. But look at these blasts of energy hitting here. However, there's no activity on the sun. So where's this solar energy coming from? That's when I go back here. Why is this aiming down at 4 o'clock instead of 3 o'clock? Maybe something's tugging on it, like when you get your Pornhub channel. See how that works? Now over here is showing you the electrons floating around. Look at this garbage. You'll see them floating from east to west. Right here, it's over Central America, or South America. And you can tell that it's moving. So a lot of energy is hitting the Earth. It's moving around, etc. And then here you'll see the energy shifting. Plus 24, negative 24. And then when we get down to here, this one gets interesting. I tried to get it at the same time. We're starting at 0100 hours on both. Watch this. I'll start both timers at the same. They're almost the same. This is radiation that's hitting at 40,000. Where am I at here? 40 kilometers on both of these. 40 kilometers up. This is the equivalent. If you hit 100... on this scale, 100 would be the equivalent of an X-ray. So there, X-rays popping, if you're in an airplane. So this is to show you the top of the Earth is on the right, bottom of the Earth is on the left. These are pulses of energy coming from somewhere. So we're going to let that play through till it ends. I just find this fascinating. They're hitting almost at the same time, both top and bottom. And it looks like the northern hemisphere is getting a little extra pop. I don't usually follow this chart until recently because now we're getting all this extra juicing. And by the way, CERN just found some new demon stuff in their popping off garbage the last few days. I'm gonna be looking into that. But they do your thing. See how that work? Like, I don't like the way this looks. Like, I just don't know. I don't follow this graph because I don't usually monitor their X-ray radiation, and I could do it at ground level too. But this is interesting. Look at it pulsing. Like, I don't know what that means. It's almost over here. This chart. I mean, don't think about the planet. That's none of your business. See how that work? Anyways, if you're feeling like garbage, wait till this garbage hits. That's a huge proton. We got a lot of particles, as they call it, as the space legal term is. Like, and our spider's still aiming down south. See how that work? Like, it should be going straight across. Day 3 that I've been tracking, anyways, of the phenomenon of energy blasting the Earth. And we have no idea where it's coming from. And now we got this juicy thing coming right here. So stay tuned. I'll show you this when it hits these charts. These haven't been updated yet. That is at 1624 hours. Let me see where my chart here stops. I stop at 1400. So this is 2 hours behind. So in about 2 hours, I'll be updating you when this juice hits this chart. Let's see it get... Most likely, I'm guessing, see this little arm right here on the top right? These are going to probably touch the Earth. That's usually when it shorts out. It's not often you see the Earth actually bottom out and short out. And I'm guessing it's going to short out in about 2 hours. So that this satellite, by the way, Discover, let me just show you. Stand by, hang on. Let me show you how far away it is. It says here it's about 1 million miles out. Discover orbits about 1 million miles from Earth in a unique location called the Lagrange point, which basically allows it to hover between the sun and our planet. That's the view you were just getting. It's 1 million miles out, so it should be on the new charts. Well, when it is, I'll let you know. How about that? But I bet you these and the one on the bottom are gonna touch. That's just my guess from a couple years of doing this garbage. DJ Wags, Apocalypse Radio, Wags Chicago. We'll be back with your weather, space weather garbage or not.